at you with another vlog, and today we're going to be exploring 3 waterfalls and fishing at one of them. And this is the Lucia Falls, the East Fork of the Lewis River. We're 5 miles up Rock Creek Road. Follow us down the trail. We're in Washington State. I'm gonna climb this biggest mountain I've ever seen. It's humongous, definitely bigger than Beacon Rock. We're at Lucia Falls, one of the 3 waterfalls we're gonna view today. And it's beautiful here, and I feel like I'm gonna die. Oh, and by the way, guys, there's an even bigger waterfall. I'll show you it. Lauren, what do you think about this place? Awesome! Awesome! Oh, guys, you want to see an even bigger waterfall? Follow me.
This is just right along this.
Now that's the biggest waterfall I've ever seen. One last look at Lucia Falls before we head up to Molten Falls. Waterfall. We're at Molten Falls. Take a look. Okay, let's head down the trail, subscribers. Take a look at Molten Falls, everybody. Really rapid. Yeah, you heard her. Subscribe to Brayden's Vision, or maybe you didn't, because this thing is loud. You guys, look at these. Last place up is Sunset Falls. Subscribe to Brayden's Vision. Okay guys, this is the second one. We're gonna go to Sunset now, and after that we're gonna go fishing by the Grist Mill, and we're also gonna go to the Grist Mill. Okay guys, we made it to Sunset, the last of the 3 waterfalls, and then we're going to the Grist Mill, but the waterfall here is the biggest one. And yeah, let's go. Walking down the trail, we stumbled upon William Mary, June 14, 2020. Okay, but that waterfall is definitely my favorite. I love the water. Someone's sister is getting married here, and we don't want to crash it, so let's get out of here and go to the Grist Mill. Hey guys, we're at Cedar Creek at the Grist Mill, and well, here's a look. And there's a ton more stuff, so let's go explore. Okay guys, today was a fun day. We went to the Grist Mill, we went to Sunset, we went to Moulton, and we went to Waterfalls. Subscribe, leave a like, and hit the bell, and I'll see you in the next